Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading, installing and setting up Skype on your Windows 10 PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening up a web browser on your computer. In the URL bar, go to skype.com. On the home page of the Skype website, click Downloads from the top menu bar. Now click the button Get Skype for Windows. The Skype installation file will now start downloading. As soon as it's finished downloading, click it to launch it. Click Install. Now click Let's Go. If you already have a Microsoft, Skype or Xbox account, you can simply log in here with that info. If not, you will need to create a new Microsoft account. Skype is owned by Microsoft and thus you need a Microsoft account to use Skype. I'm going to click Create a New Account. You can join using a phone number or email address. I'm choosing to use email. Enter your desired password. Enter your first and last name and hit Next. Now input your country and date of birth. Hit Next again when done. You will now need to receive a confirmation code via email or phone, depending on how you signed up. Paste the code here. You may need to complete a captcha here to finish the account creation. If you'd like to, you can choose a profile image here, or you can do it later. This screen is for testing out your microphone and speakers. If your microphone is turned on and active, then speaking will make the microphone bar fill up. You can also test your speakers by clicking the Test Audio button. Here you can test your webcam. If it's on and working, you will see yourself here. Your Skype is fully installed and your account is set up. From here, you can begin adding contacts and start communicating. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Skype tips and tricks.